Hey everyone and welcome to Daily Dose of Knowledge. Today we going to learn about psychological tricks that actually work. Communicating and dealing with people can be hard for everyone at one point or another. Whether it's work-related or if it's pleasure, it's important to learn these psychological tricks to make things run much more smoothly. These are not to be confused with ways to maliciously manipulate others into getting what you want, but to simply improve overall communication and relationships with others. 1. Look into someone's eyes when you get a dissatisfactory answer. Sometimes we don't like the answer to a question that we receive, and sometimes we don't understand it. Instead of repeating the question or asking another, look into the eyes of the person. This will make the person feel under pressure or cornered, and this will force them to further elaborate their thoughts. 2. Stay calm when someone raises their voice to you. Make a strong effort to remain calm. When a loudmouth acts out, it's usually in anger, and our behaviors can sometimes unintentionally provoke that. The feelings of anger usually quickly subside and guilt will set in, and usually this person is first to ask for forgiveness. 3. Sit close to the aggressor to avoid attack. If you're heading into a meeting and you know you'll be in the room with an aggressive person, you know the discussion may become heated, or you may be subjected to negative criticism, make a point to sit next to that person. You may feel uncomfortable and awkward, but you won't be the only one. Close proximity is known to make people uncomfortable, which will lessen the level of aggression they plan to exercise. 4. Remember everyone's names if you want to be popular. If you want to be popular with your peers and colleagues, make it a habit to start calling people by their first names when speaking with them. A person feels instantaneously special when you call him or her by their first name. 5. Write down your thoughts when you feel stressed or anxious. We all feel some level of mental stress or anxiety at some point. Write down your thoughts in a journal and then close it up. Believe it or not, you'll be able to focus on your work more easily because you have now shared your thoughts with someone. When you share them, you will then feel the burden on your mind reduced. Enjoyed this video? Please hit the like button and subscribe for more daily videos like this. Thanks for watching.